So I'm not gonna lie to you, this is what my closet is going for me right now. This is a lot of bit of organized chaos. It's not even organized. But I've been wanting to really organize my shirts in this compartment right here. But every time I do it, everything just falls and just ends up right here on the floor. So that's why I got this cool shirt organizer, and I'm actually going to show you before I put it in just how cool it is, and then we're going to install it and we're going to see if it really works. This was gifted to me from So I just have you right here, and this is my shirt organizer. So it's actually a bunch of trays that are just kind of stacked on each other. So each individual shirt kind of has its own tray, and they kind of lay on each other, and they can nicely like have my shirt folded. You can nicely lay it on. But the best part is you can easily kind of like swipe through it, like kind of file fold it, and easily kind of pick the shirt you want. So let's put it in. Let's see if it really works. So this is the shirts kind of fitting in. As you can see, it really nicely fits in. This would even work great with sweaters, but I'm able to even like, you kind of pick the one you want, but I'm able to even like pick this whole part out to kind of keep this organized and keep everything nicely folded, which is something I do struggle with. As you can see, I can even do this one-handed. Not well, but I can. So if you're looking a way to like keep all your shirts organized and your sweaters, this would be great for leggings, workout clothes, anything that you love to keep like organized, but you're kind of always like sifting through it. This is a great way. This would also work well and super well if you have like really deep drawers. This would work perfect for it.